Welcome back. In this session, we will explore the modeling of basic primitive shapes, their properties and modes. In a 3D environment, creating any model starts with understanding the basic primitive shapes. Shapes like sphere and cubes are fundamental for creating more complex models. Let's start by looking at polygon primitives. Select the sphere to bring it up in the viewport. As we discussed earlier, the Move tool can be accessed using the shortcut W or by clicking on the Move button. Once selected, the gizmo will highlight, allowing us to move the model in the 3D environment. As we move it in the transform values will display in the channel box. Under the shape inputs, we have several options that can be adjusted by either typing values or using the middle mouse button. This includes parameters like height, baseline, radius, subdivision axis, and subdivision height. Now that we are in object mode, let's switch to vertex mode. In this mode, we can see the vertexes, which are individual points that we can select and manipulate to shape the model in 3D space. Next, select edge mode. Here, edges, horizontal and vertex lines that connect vertexes are visible. These edges forms triangles and quads and are also movable, allowing us to modify the shape further. There is also a face mode where we can select faces, move them and adjust the model's shape. To change the axis orientation for the Move tool, double click on the tool to access the tool settings. Here under axis orientation, we have options like world, object and components, allowing us to select the orientation as needed. In addition to polygon primitives, we have also a NURBS primitives accessible from the menu or the shelf. Using the Move tool, we can translate them along the z-axis. NURBS shapes also have an input under shape, which can be modified such as radius, start sweep, end sweep, degree, selection and spans. For NURBS, right-clicking provides an option for vertex control. Selecting this vertex allows us to adjust the shape of the NURBS primitives. Additionally, we can move to hull mode, which lets us select and manipulate group of points, enabling more flexible shaping through movement and scaling. In most cases, we use